Hi, my name is Abhishek Rathod and I'm co-founder of Innovation Tech Solutions.
I am Tanmay, I'm also one of the founders of Innovation Tech Solutions. We started this company in 2009 and we have about four people in our team right now.
What are the things you have done so far?
We have deployed 6 modules of hospital system in 5 different hospitals in and around Varanasi.
There are already solutions available, so why create a new one?
What we found when we did our research was that there were two kinds of softwares available. One were created by the big players, which were rigid, extremely expensive, but had good data analysis. On the other hand, you have the smaller players which were focused on billing and computerizing existing operations. So there was no data analysis part to it. Neither was there any effort to improve workflow.
How exactly does your software solve these problems?
So before we started building this software, we worked for a hospital for 1 year, and which helped us understand their
The needs. Right. Apart from that, we also focused on data analysis part. Creating reports which allows the administration to understand their hospital better, like bed occupancy report or a doctor's contribution report.
And we have also handled complex situations like doctor's salary generation and to help them file for sales tax and VAT.
Right, and apart from that, we have also standardized certain processes like discount, and also we handle medical data.
Why small and medium scale hospitals only?
Let's look at it this way. There are about 10 to 12 corporate hospitals in Delhi, and in a city like Varanasi, which is maybe about half the size of Delhi, we have more than 175 hospitals, which are small and medium scale. So that gives you an idea of the opportunity which is available in this market.
What's your business model?
So earlier we decided to go for software as a service, but based on the scenario there, it's very difficult to get a recurring payment from
the
hospitals. So we have decided to now go for software as a product.
Your critical success factor?
There's a bunch of them. The most critical would be whether we are able to cope up with the fast changing scenarios in healthcare. Another one would be the cost of opening a hospital has increased. So now you have a group of doctors working together to open a hospital.
And also the recruitment ability.
Yeah, that's one of the hardest things to do.
How do you plan on growing?
I think the main thing is that once we have a large set of data, once we are able to get at least 10 to 20 different hospitals, we'll have about the data of about 10,000 patients. Then we can utilize that data to create a new kind of financial models for us.
Okay, thank you so much.